In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove all likes on Instagram. So go to your Instagram, go to your profile, which would be at the bottom right, and then go to the three bars at the top right. That'll bring you to your settings. From here, you want to go down to where it says how you use Instagram and go to your activity. So you're going to have some categories for your interactions, and you want to stay on likes at the very top. So go ahead and click likes. And these are going to give all of your likes on every kind of content type that you've liked. So this will have everything in one place. So if you want to remove all the likes on Instagram, all you have to do is hit select at the top right. Now, unfortunately, there's no way for you just to hit like check all, select all. So you will have to manually go through and just choose everything that you liked over time, and then just go through and go through and go through. And then once you're done with the amount of videos that you want, you'll see it at the very bottom where it says unlike and the number that you selected. And then you can just go ahead and confirm to unlike the posts. So it will take a little bit if you want to get rid of them all, but that's just how Instagram works. And that's how you would go about removing all the likes on Instagram. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.